These are something everyone needs in their hair accessory collection. This hairstyling accessories kit include 8pcs donut bun makers, help your hair bun stay in place firmly all day. 5pcs elastic band for the ponytail portion of creating the bun and secure hair around the donut. 40pcs bobby pins with small ball ends for protecting your hair from scratching, strong hold but will not hurt your hair. Easy to use and ridiculously simple. Put your hair through the middle, then pull that to end of hair and fit your hair around circle, then roll it tight towards your ponytail holder. No bobby pins are necessary, holds it tight and in perfect bun. These bun makers make the process of putting my hair in a bun ridiculously simple. Just a few seconds, perfect for busy you. Variety pack hair bun maker for all your family. Our donut bun maker sets with 4pcs dark brown donut bun maker, 4pcs beige bun, 2 extra large, 2 large, 2 medium and 2 small. Different colors and different sizes on different girls based on amount of hair and head size, makes it very easy to create different sized buns. Holds strong and no damage your hair. These hair buns come with hairpins and hairbands as a set, which is convenient to use and keep your hairstyle in place firmly. Easy to put on and won't fall off easily. Suitable for many occasions. With the Style Hair Bun Maker, you now have the flexibility to create different hair bun hairstyles for various occasions, such as party, dating, wedding, yoga, running, dancing, etc. Easy to use, add volume and fullness to your hairstyle and make you look elegant. Keep your hair neat and tidy. Feature. Quick and easy to use, just a few seconds, perfect for the busy you. Magic Bun Maker, it is comfortable and lightweight. 4 different sizes, 2 colors, meet all your daily needs. Come with bobby pins, stayed in place firmly. Waterproof and lightweight, easy to carry. Top reviews from the United States. Everything you need for perfect buns. This set had everything we needed, and more, to create the perfect bun for my daughter's horse shows. Having multiple sizes allowed for creating different styles. As the set has both blonde and dark, so it was fantastic to have extra for others, who may have forgotten parts of their hair kits.